In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best app to link to your UK PayPal account. If you are new to my channel, do well to subscribe and leave a like. I deal with free money making updates like easy ways to make money online. Okay, let's dive in. Right now, this is the app right here, nsave. This is the app right here. This app offers you a virtual US bank account and a virtual UK bank account. And I don't know why most people are not talking about it. People are mostly talking about Gray, Gig Pay, and the rest of it. They neglect this app. This app is like, I prefer using this app to Gig Pay and Gray. I prefer using this app. Guys, I'm going to show you a detailed explanation concerning this app. So guys, if I come to this, I'm going to show you everything. This app has two plans. It has the free plan and it has the pro plan. So guys, if you don't want to use the pro plan, you can use the free plan. This is the free plan right here. I'm going to talk about it. So for free plan, you receive USD, you receive US dollars, and you receive pounds for zero fees. They don't charge you anything for receiving pounds and dollars. Then you can withdraw to your local currency starting from $1. But if you're in Nigeria, you can withdraw to your local currency starting from 100 naira in this app. Then sending from nsave to another nsave user, you send for zero fees. Then sending internationally, that's ACH transfer, they charge you as little as 50 cents. So guys, you can see right here, if you want to send pounds to another person, when you're on the pro plan, you can send it for free, but on the free plan, you send it for a fee of $1. So getting a multi-currency debit card, they offer virtual card in this app. You get their card for as low as $2.99. Then free card payments in USD and GBP. When you purchase their card, they don't charge you any fee for using their card. They don't charge you any fee for using their card. Then you can exchanging between accounts. They charge you as low as 1% fee for exchanging between accounts. Then this rewards right here means when you deposit on your USD account, you earn 3% reward. Then you can also invest in this app. So guys, I'm going to show you guys where I linked this bank account to my PayPal. This is the card section. This is the card section. You can order your card from here, and this is where you can invest in stocks. You can invest in it. You can invest here. Then this is the account dashboard. So guys, I'm going to show you guys the US. This is my USD account right here, and I'm going to show you my account details. This is my account details. If I click here, it's going to pop up my account details. This is my account details right here for my USD account. Then for my GBP account, that's my pounds account, which I linked to my UK PayPal. This is the details right here, clear bank and the account number. I'm going to be showing you guys this on my PayPal. And this is also a proof that I linked it to my PayPal. You can see I linked it on the 1st of January this year to my PayPal. As you can see right here, I linked it to my PayPal account. Now guys, when you want to withdraw out of this app, that's you click on this transfer. When you want to withdraw to fiat, like to your local currency, if you click on transfer, you click on new transfer, then you input the recipient's country. You input the recipient's country right here. For example, I'm in Nigeria. I will input Nigeria. Input the recipient's country, then add the recipient's first name and middle names with last name. The minimum amount you can withdraw for a Nigerian account is 100 naira. For example, I want to send to this account. You look down here guys, you're going to see it. The minimum is 100 naira. 100 naira for Nigerian account. Now guys, moving over to my PayPal, I'm going to show you guys where I linked this account to my PayPal. So let me move over to my PayPal. Guys, now I've successfully logged into my PayPal account. Now that I've logged in, I'm going to show you guys where I actually linked that bank account to my PayPal. This is a UK PayPal account. So if I tap on my PayPal balance, click on withdraw. Then I say withdraw to bank account. This is the bank account. For example, this is the bank account 7061. 7061. You can see right here 7061. So guys, this account can actually be linked to PayPal. They don't charge you any fee for receiving US dollars or pound. They don't charge you any single fee. So I don't know why people are not talking about this app, because this app is really awesome. You guys have to try this app out. If you're using PayPal, you have to try this app out. So guys, this is not the first time I've been using this app. I've been using this app for a long time now. This is not the first time. They also have a crypto wallet, but I think they post transactions for the crypto wallet. They say that they are upgrading something about it. So guys, I don't know. But if you would like to join this app, I'll be leaving the link to the app in the description box. Do well to try this app out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.